Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, and in this episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, we will be unboxing the Treva 5-inch fan with 2-speed function. I got this from Amazon for $12.99 from Amazon. Today we'll be unboxing this thing and checking this portable fan out. But before we do, let's go ahead and take a look around the box. So here it is. Here's the presentation for the Treva 5-inch fan with 2-speed function. Here is the fan itself. This comes in, from what I've known, 2 colors. Here, this has a, you can operate it by battery, or you can use an USB plug. Here, it contains 1 fan and 1 USB cable. And this is a portable fan for your office space, for your desk, for example. Let's take a look on the side of the box and see what we have here. This takes 4 AA batteries, which is not included. This can also be powered by USB. I'm going to be using a power bank to power this up. This has an adjustable tilt, and this has a 2-speed fan function. So let's go ahead and take a look on the other side, which has the same information that I just went through. And now let's go ahead and take a look on the back side of the box. So here is the back side of the box. 5-inch fan with 2-speed function. This has a patented fan blades for efficient airflow, as you can see there. This has a tilt for directional airflow. This has a brushless motor for a long life, so expect longevity from this product. This has a 2-speed fan function, and it also includes an adapter port. So, and it can also take 4 AA batteries, and this includes a USB cable that you see right there. So with that being said, let's go ahead and unbox the Treva 5-inch portable fan. All we have to do is lift up the tab here. Here you are greeted by warning labels. Pretty sure we have common sense and do stupid things with this. But here's the fan itself. This comes with a USB adapter, USB cord. And here's the fan itself. This comes in blue color, but also seeing this in gray. And here are the instructions. So let's take a look at the instructions. This has important safety instructions. Yeah, it comes with just 1 sheet of paper. You know, that's not important here. And here's the USB cable, and you have this adapter port that you see here. So I wish this came with a micro USB to regular USB type A cable. It is what it is. Here's the fan itself. This is a 5-inch fan with 2-speed function. Really love how portable this is, and the build quality doesn't look cheap. It is well made, just plastic, and that's about it. Here is we're going to put your 4 AA batteries. You need to have a screwdriver if you want to get access, which is unfortunate because I don't have a screwdriver around. So here's where it's made from. And yeah, so let's go ahead see how this tilts. So once you open it up, is how you would open it. And here you can see the tilt function. And here is your 2-speed function. Speed 1 off and speed 2. And here is the switch. It has a good quality feel, doesn't look cheap here. And on your right is where the you would plug in your USB in, and you can charge this using a power bank. So let's go ahead and see how this works. So I have my USB cable here. I have my Anchor portable battery, which I did an unboxing on. And now let's go ahead and plug one of these into the power bank here and plug on this end to the portable fan right there. So once you plug this in, here's what how it looks like. I just wish it is on the side now instead that you can fold it down a bit. Let's power this up. So we have 75% left on this portable charger by Anchor. And here's one of the speed function. And here you can feel the breeze and hear how loud this fan is. Here we are on one of the lower speeds. And you can also tilt this down or tilt this at a 90-degree angle here. And hear how loud this fan is. It's not too loud. It gets the job done if it when it get cooled down. So you can adjust the angle at any angle that you see here. And really love how portable this is. You can't fold it all the way down since you have that adapter sticking out. And yeah, so that is the noise of the fan. Let's go ahead and switch to the second speed here. And here's the second speed, which has better airflow, and just listen how loud this sounds. So it's not too loud, it's not too loud, and it just gets what you need done. And it does have good airflow, not too strong, not too light, just perfect in between. Perfect for my taste, that is. And yeah, so here's a closer look of the fan in motion. And here's what it looks like while turned off. It stops right away. So this is a pretty cool, neat portable device for your desk. Don't expect to cool the entire room down, which is not designed for. And yeah, so pretty cool device to have at your workplace or inside a car that doesn't have fan. And yeah, so that is the Treva 5-inch 2-speed fan. If you like this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below on what you think about this portable device. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to get my other YouTube content that's on this channel. And thank you for watching Unbox with Alex Trinh. And now I'll definitely see you on the next one.